Hello and welcome to Cloud Experts. In this video, we will SSH into the EC2 instance that we created in our previous video. As a bonus, we will also install a web server. As you can see, we have a T2 micro instance up and running. Please watch my previous video on how to create a new EC2 instance. I will put the link in the description, or you can also click on the top right of your screen. To connect to our instance, let's select the instance and click on the Connect button. Copy the SSH connection command and close this pop-up. Now open a terminal window and navigate to the directory where you downloaded your private key. Mine was downloaded in the Downloads directory, so I will change my directory to Downloads. Paste the connection string and hit enter to log in to the instance. Enter yes to this prompt. So we get this error, unprotected private key file. It basically means that the permission of the private key files are too open. Anybody on this system can read it. As it is our private key, only we should be able to read it. I will run chmod 400 command on this private key. This will change the permissions so that this file is only readable by the owner, that is the current user I'm logged in as. Let's try logging in again. And we are now logged in to our new EC2 instance. As you can see, we are logged in as the EC2 user. This is the user that EC2 creates for us automatically. The first thing we will do is update our operating system. To do that, run sudo yum update and hit enter. I have changed my user to root. To change your user, run sudo su dash on your terminal. Next, let's install Apache web server. You can do this using yum install httpd command. Let's check the current status of our httpd service. As you can see, the server is not running. So let's start the server. Let's check the status again. We won't yet be able to access this web server from our browser because we only allowed access to the port 22 for SSH in our security group. All the other ports are closed. In order to access the web server, we need to allow access to the port 80 on this machine. To do that, let's click on the security groups menu on the left. Then select the demo security group. Click on the inbound tab and then click edit. Click on add rule and add HTTP. Click save. Let's go back to the instances. Let's check the security group. As you can see, now we have port 80 open on this instance. Let's copy the IP address and try to access the web server. There you go. This test page is now coming from our web server. Let's add our own index.html instead of the default test page. Go back to the terminal and change our directory to /var/www/html. And let's create an index.html file. Save this file. And let's refresh the page. As you can see, now it is showing our new index page instead of the default test page. That's it for this video. Don't forget to terminate your instance. The EBS volume will also get deleted when you terminate this instance. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.